It's hidden right here. Okay gang, today I'm going to show you how to remove emblems like this off of an Impala SS, as well as how to get these rear door handles out. I'm going to show you a tip on these that is going to save you hours of time. Okay, we're getting down to removing the last of the items on Mike's SS here. But I wanted to show you something on removing emblems. Now this type of an emblem on this car or a badge, it doesn't have any pins that are running through it. It's been stuck on with a double face tape, just like the factory would have done it. And so whenever you're removing an emblem like this, it is very easy to bend it. Don't use a screwdriver like this. When you try to use this screwdriver is too thick, and it's going to end up bending the emblem and tweaking it and ruining it. You need to use something that's flat, like this, and just get it behind there. Something very, very flat. Get your hammer and just tap it. Just tap, tap, tap. It's going to remove that emblem without damaging it. That's all there is to it. Okay, I'm going to show you the easiest way to put these door handles in on these Impalas. They can be a pain in the butt. So the easiest way to get these rear door handles out on these Impalas, instead of having to pull this whole plate out right here, which is riveted in with structural rivets, pull this plate out, you have to knock these centers out and then drill these out and of course rivet them back in. So an easier way to do it is just to drill a small hole right here, and that's going to access that outside bolt. And the inside bolt you can get to. If you just drill a small hole right here. So the bolt that holds this short piece of window track is right here behind this tar seal. All you'll need to do is just poke a small hole right through the middle of it, and you can get to the single bolt back there and pull this out. Then you will be able to do your work. So now where you want to drill your access hole is right here above this hole that the clip goes in that holds the door panel on. There's a little cove right here, and you want to get it as close down in this cove right here as you can. When you drill it right there, it's still going to be just slightly above getting to the nut down in there. Get it as close in this as you can. But having a battery that's good always helps. Okay, so when you get your hole drilled, this hole is still going to be slightly above where the bolt is. It's going to have to go in at a bit of an angle. The hole does not have to be big enough for the socket to go through. What you can do is you'll need to have a little wiggler on here because it's not exactly lined up, but it's close enough. You'll put this through there, and then you can reach up in there and hook your socket set up. That in there, and then you can get down on your bolt. It's going to be at a pretty hard angle, and a short socket just barely makes it on there. Hang in there. Don't want to lose your socket down in that door. Got it loose. Come on, baby. was turning off there. Stop right there at the end. Don't want to lose that bolt down in there. Catch it in my hand. Ah, there she is. Hammer that subscribe button and tap that like button.